Imagine you are exploring the vibrant streets of New York City and suddenly realize you need to get to your next destination quickly and comfortably, perhaps avoiding the subway or a traditional yellow cab. You might be wondering, what is the simplest way to arrange reliable private transportation right from your smartphone? To request a Lyft in New York City, you simply open the Lyft application on your mobile device, enter your destination, and then confirm your pickup location and ride type. The app will then connect you with an available driver who will come directly to your spot. Lyft operates by using a global positioning system to pinpoint your location and match you with nearby drivers. The app facilitates the entire process, from finding a driver and showing you the estimated fare to handling payments securely through your linked account. This system ensures efficiency and transparency for riders. First, make sure the Lyft application is downloaded and installed on your phone and that you have created an account with a valid payment method. Then, open the application and tap the search bar labeled, "Where are you going?" After you type in your destination, you will see various ride options like Standard Lyft, Lyft XL for more space, or even shared rides, though shared options might vary by current demand. Review the estimated fare for your chosen ride type and confirm your pickup location, adjusting the pin on the map if necessary for accuracy. Finally, tap Request Lyft to dispatch your driver, and you will be able to track their arrival on the map. When requesting your ride, always double-check the driver's license plate number and vehicle make and model displayed in the app before entering the car. This quick verification step, known as Match and Go, is a crucial safety measure to ensure you are getting into the correct vehicle. Lyft also allows you to share your ride details with friends or family, offering an extra layer of security and peace of mind during your journey. By following these straightforward steps, you can confidently and conveniently navigate New York City, accessing a private ride that helps you get where you need to be efficiently and comfortably, with transparent pricing and easy payment.